I'm very grateful that I've been offered to write a chapter in this book with my friend Jackie Dugard, who we taught property law together. This chapter for me is biographically very important because it speaks to the issue of how my mother struggled and my grandmother struggled to get access to land in the 1960s, and they had to bring my brother to the chief to say, here we have a boy, can we have a piece of land? And it was only then that they could have access to their own piece of land. So today what's happening is when I speak to my friend who live in the same village, the same stories are continuing. And I ask them, so how are disputes such as these when women are being evicted from their property, evicted from family property? Where do you go? Who resolves these disputes? And there is still no justice, no access to justice, no legal mechanisms within rural areas for women to assert their rights, which are being trampled on continuously. Even though there is pieces of legislation in place, for instance, the Traditional Courts Bill, the Traditional Khoisan Leadership Act, all of these which have been rejected by women continuously because of this exclusion. And I think that such books are very important in bringing to the attention of those who make decisions the plight of those who are directly impacted by the laws that are being currently put in place. And I believe that there is a lot that can be done. What can be done is actually to have legislation that starts from the base of those who are impacted and the voice of women.